Hello! Well, welcome to my dead gearbox. I've never taken a gearbox to bits before, so I thought might as well take this apart today. So this is the gearbox out of the van, which has, well, the gearbox has stopped. I've got a new gearbox ready to go in. Just to put new seals on it. You don't get the opportunity very often to take a gearbox to bits, so I thought I would take the chance and take this one to bits. So this is the gear selector, and from what I could tell, oh, that's his problem. You can't spin the input shaft on some of the gears. So there's neutral. That'll spin quite happily. If you pick a gear, it doesn't spin. Some of them, it'll let you half spin. So something's either broken off, fallen off, or stuck inside somewhere. I've never taken a gearbox to bits before, so this is exciting for me. I don't know where to begin. Differential? Separate differential first? What's that? This gearbox is very heavy, he said. You would think the pig mat would make it slide easier. Oh, my pig mat is escaping. There, get under there. Alright, let's take this end cover plate off a bit first. Side over, you see it. Oh look, they're Torx heads. Right, I'm going to get some Torx bits. You can see all the oil oozing out. Right, we'll take off these Torx heads, which are T25s, T27s. Oh, I've picked up random, a T30. Is it a 30? Or is it a 30? T40? D40s. Let's take these off and look inside there. Perhaps I should have got a hammer. Yes, I know it should be a brass or nylon or something, but we'll just tease around the outside of the ceiling face so we can try and pop it without actually damaging the... It's still got a good grip. Had a good grip. Okay. So, I don't see anything blazingly obvious at this end of the gearbox. Don't see any missing teeth or anything. Where's the gear selector? Oh. Okay, let's open her up some more. If we can. I think I'll open the differential next. That's one of the drive shaft seals. The inside drive shaft comes out this outer flange, and you can, well, replace the drive shaft seal. Yeah, gets the differential cover straight off. Da, 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 da. Well now, look at that. That's pretty. Does it come out? It does. Oh. Oh. It's very clean and shiny inside. Oh, I wish I could hold this, but it's really, really heavy. Gonna sit it down there. Take out that as well. a bits of metal. But from where? What can we see inside now? You can see it's still not spinning. Okay, well, ooh. Okay, you can see in there, there's a magnetic sump plug, and it's got lots of metal filings magnetised to it. Not a great sign, but at least I know where the drain... Ooh, wait. Don't know if you can see on there as well. Can't tell if it's in the casting or if it's metal chunks of welded on. Right, where's next? What's the next bit that splits? It must be this back. Separate the bell housing from the actual gearbox. So, if we flip this over again, it's getting lighter, but not lighter. And we'll undo all these ones around here and try and lift this off. Ugh. Appropriate sized bunch. Oh, wait. Jesus Christ. Who the fuck am I getting that off? That's an eye remover right there. Look at that spring circlip. How in the fucking... I don't have anything to take that off with. Well... Okay, after much dicking around, I managed to get the top, that gear off of there, the top gear, the selector fork, the other gear, this big spring clip that was holding that on, and now we should be able to lift away. Oh, that was ball bearings. I know what they are. Oh well. There goes another one. The main housing. Oh, I don't know if that's metal in there or not. And into the innards of the gear. Ah, I found out what it. Oh, I found it. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to use the small camera for this one. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see it? This barb of metal here. That's not supposed to be there. That's not supposed to be there. I don't know where it came from though. I don't know what it's not holding in anymore. The only thing it looks like is on the top gear there was like these two. See, I don't know if they're supposed to be halves of a spring clip or if they're supposed to be a whole spring clip. And that's part of it. Or if they're supposed to be another spring clip in here somewhere. Oh, there's one of those detent ball bearings. The rest of them are in here now. I'm sure if I was going to rebuild it I could find them somewhere. So, there's another one. I know they're from, I know where they go, it's just not too bad. They go, where are we? On the other side of these springs. God knows how you get them fucking back in though. Like you have a spring in the ball bearing to make a detent on the slider, which is, there's the sliders there. And there's the, grabbing one fucking cape, sorry. And they slide in the detent on that so you can, so you've got like you can feel where each gear goes into gear. Okay, well, we found the problem, just shame we can't fix it. Oh, well we could fix it, or we could try. But that sensitive gearbox, oh, and look, it all spins freely now. There's no gear. Aha, there it is. There's the other half. That's where it's broken off of. Yep, it's the same spring clip as on the outside, and it has snapped off. Well, okay. Don't know how to fix that, unfortunately. Yeah, that's not going to let that go into gear. Ah, no, that's why we're only getting one gear. Well, at least I know it is the gearbox, and I can happily put the other one in. The other one. In the van. Carry on. Well, that was fairly interesting, actually. I've now seen inside a gearbox. Great. Let's not put it back together. Let's just go inside and have a cup of coffee.